Welcome back to the channel. If you're an income-focused investor or just love tracking solid dividend plays, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down the highest yielding dividend stocks and sectors for Q3 2025, where the best yields are, what's behind them, and what's worth your attention. Let's start with the big picture. Dividend-paying stocks are booming again. In the first half of 2025, dividend funds saw inflows of nearly $24 billion, the strongest pace since 2022. Investors are looking for stable cash flow amid a still uncertain rate environment. Leading the way, the energy sector, with average yields around 4.75%. Real estate followed at 3.7%, utilities at 3.3%, and financials around 3%. These sectors are setting the pace for reliable income. Now let's get into the top performers. At number 1, Two Harbors Investment, ticker symbol TWO. It's yielding an eye-popping 16.16% this quarter. It's a real estate investment trust. But be aware, high yield often means high risk. Next up is Sunrise Realty Trust, ticker SUNS, with a 10.8% yield. Both stocks were featured by NerdWallet for their exceptionally high income potential. And for a large cap option, Chevron continues to offer a strong yield near 9%. It's a dividend aristocrat and remains a go-to pick for energy-focused portfolios. Leading the way? The energy sector, with average yields around 4.75%. Real estate followed at 3.7%, utilities at 3.3%, and financials around 3%. These sectors are setting the pace for reliable income.
Now, not all high yields are risky. Some offer both strong payouts and long-term stability. Ares Capital and Enterprise Products Partners are two examples.
Enterprise is yielding close to 7%, and analysts continue to rate it as one of the most dependable income plays out there. Then there's Verizon, another favorite for steady income, yielding around 6.5%, with dividend growth to boot. Europe's dividend scene is thriving too. The top 10 dividend aristocrats in the Eurozone are all yielding at least 4.5%. Leading the charge is Legal & General, the British insurer, offering 8.5%. Overall, the FTSE Developed Europe Index is yielding 2.9%, more than double the S&P 500's average yield. Looking for monthly income? Real estate investment trusts are still a top choice. Realty Income, nicknamed the monthly dividend company, continues to pay reliable monthly dividends. Apple Hospitality REIT is another standout, yielding nearly 8% and favored for hotel and leisure property exposure. So, how should you approach these yields? First, watch out for yield traps. A stock yielding 15% might look great, but if the company cuts its dividend or sees falling revenue, you could lose more than you gain. Instead, look for balance. Mix a few high yielders with long-term dividend growers like Verizon or Chevron. And follow the pros. Many successful investors prioritize companies with yields over the S&P 500 average, a healthy payout ratio, and consistent earnings growth. Here's a quick recap of where we are in Q3 2025. Ultra high yields, TWO at 16%, Suns at 10.8%. Infrastructure and REITs, Apple Hospitality, and Realty Income around 7 to 8%. Reliable US picks, Verizon and Enterprise with strong 6 to 7% yields. European picks, Legal & General at 8.5%, with the EU average above 4.5%. Yields are up and dividend stocks are back in focus. Whether you're building an income stream or just looking for stable returns, now's a great time to review your dividend strategy. What are your favorite dividend stocks this quarter? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more income investing updates, and hit that bell for alerts. See you next time.